Hey, what's up Cardano holders? So this is very informative video and especially update of Cardano Adda. Now today my brother the Cardano Adda wake up especially from last I think as you can see here from 1618 to 19.8 very fastly starting moving upward and the price is starting increasing, so definitely it's mean to this is appropriate time. And what happening and a previous time my brother to Cardano will fails down, and there is a chance to upcoming time Cardano will fails down more. Yes, absolutely my brother, for some time this coin will fails down, but for some time this coin will wake up and starting moving upward. Now so today we will talk about my friends the last previous I think 5 to 12 hour move, and absolutely I will tell you in upcoming jumps and pumps now. So this time my brother, as you can see here, this time the chart is going to be show you the huge jump now. So we will clearly discuss about this my brother, as you can see here on the screen. So my brother, absolutely, when every cryptocurrency were fails down, so definitely after that they were moving upward. But as you can see my brother, this time especially in previous days the chart is completely, as you can see my friend, the candle is moving completely straight now. So therefore this direction is absolutely, as you can see the resistance line is come out here now. So this resistance line is clearly show you to this coin is not fails down, absolutely the price is not lost. So that's mean to this the price of Cardano will sometime will my friends 50% decrease. So absolutely after 50% decreasing the price, definitely they will also increase the price 50% now. So that's gonna be equal now. Alright, so that's clearly told you my brothers to the price will not lost now. Yes, absolutely, that's clear to you have not lost and Cardano. Alright. Come to the second point my brother. The second point, asking there is a chance to upcoming time Cardano will give you a profit. Yes, absolutely 100% there is a chance to Cardano will give you a profit, because after my technical analysis research absolutely is gonna be clearly show you, clearly told you to the coin will completely profitable, and absolutely in upcoming time there is a chance they will give you a profit. You know why I will tell you this to in upcoming time this coin will give you a profit? Because after a very long time this coin will wake up now. So therefore I'm 100% sure to this coin will wake up and they will moving upward completely in the moon now. And upcoming time absolutely there is a chance to the CEO of Cardano will collaborate with a lot of companies, for example Amazon, etc. So therefore there is a chance to the coin will wake up and moving upward now. The price sometime my friends were fails down, but the holders are starting very huge mistake. Therefore I will alert you, I will notify you to don't do this mistake and be safe from the loss now. You know what's the mistakes? There is a few mistakes now. The first man mistake is that my brothers, to the holders, when see a short fails, definitely they will start a selling. So I think it's completely gonna be wrong now. Kindly don't starting selling and hold it now. You know why? There is a two-time my brothers. Sometime with a short-term investor starting selling, to definitely the price will fails down. But when a short-term investor or hold, and absolutely when a long-term investor or my brothers start selling, they are also they are already hold now for a long time. So therefore they are sometime every time my brothers they are hold now. So therefore the coin were not fails down. But when a short-term investor are starting holding, so definitely they will take off and they will jump like that. As you can see here, the all candle is going to be green now and absolutely moving upward. The chart is, you can see my friend, the resistance line they are already hit now, and absolutely the price will increasing now, and definitely it's continuously moving upward now. So therefore when a short-term investor starting investing, they are starting holding, so definitely the price will increasing now. And everybody, I will notify you to this is the start of month, so kindly don't sell it. Absolutely if you hold it, so I will give you guarantee to after mid of month this coin will easily hit now 5 USD dollar my brother. As you can see the speed 2.8 USD dollar, but don't see my brother, this is a very slow speed now. As you can see they were lost now. So therefore I'm 100% sure to, if they will just only get 10% profit, so they will hit now 5 USD dollar. But if they will get now 10% profit, so I am 100% sure, my brothers, to they will hit now 4 USD dollar. And absolutely, if they will just only hit now 5% profit, so I will give you guarantee they will hit now 3.5 USD dollar. So this is our latest target, and absolutely I will hope to you will be like this target, and I hope to they will do this what I talk you now. So thanks for watching, holder. If you want a profit, so kindly you need to subscribe this channel, and if you want to earn money in crypto, definitely this channel is one of the unique YouTube channel. Today will give you a real, absolutely real update, and 100% give you guarantee today will give you a profit now. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe channel.